Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
We did it, boys. Mobbing over to the meetup spot again right now. Still gotta change the spark plug. Basically my seat or something's hitting. I cut out my seat today. I thought we got enough room for my spark plug, but something else keeps hitting my plug when we hit bumps. So, mine's gargling bad right now. It just keeps ruining my plug, so I gotta put a new plug in right when we get there, and then we're going on the ride out. Boys, I had everybody stalling for me. Had to change the plug real quick. Just came from the wedding, bro. It's 110 right now. 100% we're going in. Literally just put my shit together, and we're rolling out this second. Let's go, boys! Yes, sir! These are the boys right here from LA. God damn, what's in that thing? Yeah, that thing smashes. Had to hit the pole. We got the boy at West right here. It almost looks like an ME5 on the rear.
No way they could have disappeared that fast.
I know.
It's at altitude.
Yeah, race the R35. That's what I'm trying to see.
Santa, you want us to race something?
Hey, want me to flag you? You're just gonna run it. Pat's out here running it, whooping GTRs and all that. Now you better come back here and pick me up. Pat better not leave me down here. Look at this.
I almost forgot about you.
I know, I was about to leave you a bad review on the Uber.
When I was like, just say something to you or something, and I was like, wait, where the fuck's Trevor? I was like, oh shit, I left him. Thanks for riding 300 Uber.
Chuck's running against Steve right now on the pink DD50 team. Hey, I put 500 on you, so don't disappoint. You lie. Hey, you lie. You threw it on Steve. Yeah?
20 on the blue. 20 on the blue. Put the pink. Okay. Yeah, 20. 20. So good.
That was a cooler, and I'm wide open. It's like, bro.
I don't hear got a goddamn thing.
That motherfucker's screaming.
Sounds good to me. Sounds great. My
What you
shit
got
too.
your money on?
I really got my money on the blue one.
On the blue?
Okay. The blue one.
Chuck out here, money on Chuck.
He looks like they only weigh about 95
For
pounds.
real, the weight ratio.
What's the flag?
Line it up over there. Line.
Who you got your money on?
I don't get
I don't know.
money. I don't have any money.
Yeah, because he may be buying the T-Max.
Get up though, come on, man.
You want a flashlight? Got one? Yeah, I got it. That's right.
Get that, Chuck, get that, Chuck. Yup. Chuck was in it. Chuck pulled on him. I think the first time Chuck was fighting the wheelie the whole time. They're gonna have to run again. They each got one.
Off with it.
First time you were floating the wheelie in the beginning, huh? Couldn't keep
No,
it down?
I couldn't keep the bitch
Yeah,
down.
I saw you squirreling
see when
and
I got
shit.
that-
Yeah.
What I say? You gotta lean in that motherfucker.
He's like, put just lean. And he's like, I was like, I lean like I never leaned in my life.
You gotta lean, bro. I'm like, you.
Looking at, bro.
I got a combination that I gotta. I'm like, what the fuck is that, bro? What could race it?
That Ruckus.
What's your review on this one?
My review on this one, bro. I'm gonna go on
Bad motherfucker.
When I grow up, when I grow up, I want to be like that.
No.
It's gonna take like 12 kicks to pick it up.
No, it won't.
if, hey, this is how we do it. One and done.
100.
Woo!
100.
Anybody else got a 100?
I got a 100 on the Ruckus. On the Ruckus.
Here.
Ruckus. All right.
100 on the Ruckus.
I'm holding.
I feel like I need to light the jump.
holding.
Another 100 on the Ruckus.
Come on, man. How am I gonna
I'm holding.
be the bank, bro?
He's gonna.
Good work, Paul. Good work.
Good job. So you think it sounds better? Still. Good enough.
Alright, we got the two fast. Oh, he's spinning, bro. We got the too fast Ruckus over here versus the twin that the boys brought out. Who's your money on this one?
My heart's sick.
gas.
We need,
Fuck that.
we need
I
fucking
can either
gas.
make money or lose money. I need gas money. That's what I need to get into LA. You know?
Alright, so having a little problems with the twin. So Brandon's whipping out on the runner, running against the too fast. Alright boys, that's going to do it for this video. Leave a thumbs up for the video if you liked what you saw and you like the scooters and you like the drag racing and the fast ass two-strokes. So, been working on the Honda Elite a lot over here, just a sneak peek. You'll see this in the to-come video. Restored all the plastics on it like that because it was super sun faded when I got it. The wheelie bike piece. And I'm building the motor over here. Check the description for Scooter Swap Shop's YouTube channel and also some MOPBOYZ merch if you want to grab yourself something to support the channel. That's going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.